somebody else. If I ask you to scratch my back, could you manage that? Thinking we had, you can trap me, I can handle that. Furthermore, I apologize for any skipping tracks. This is the last girl to play me, left a couple cracks. I used to, now I'm over that. Cause holding grudges over love is ancient artifacts. If I could only find a note to make you understand, I sing a song for you in the ear and grab you by the hands. Keep me stuck inside your head like your favorite tune. And know my heart's a stereo and I only place for you.
Baby, let me love you down. There's so many ways to love you. Maybe I can break